Today, I will show you how to make circle moving animation design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Video. Select the landscape video. Change the background color. Go to Elements and import the juice picture. You will use your brand products by uploading them from your computer folder. I will use 4 different juice pictures here. Adjust all the juice size similar. Now add a circle shape. Place all the juice pictures around the circle. Rotate the left, right, and bottom picture. Then delete the shape. Select all the elements and make it a group. Fit one juice picture to the screen. Change the background color to the leader version of the juice picture. Add a text and write the product name. Change the font to Montserrat. Make it italic. Change the text color to the deeper color of the product image. Duplicate the page. Click on the product image. Rotate it to the next picture. Change the product name. Change the background color. Change the text color as well. Again, duplicate the page and do the same thing for the rest of the products. Now go to the first page. Click on the product name and change the position to behind the product image. Do the same thing for all the products' name. Now go to Transition. Select the match and move transition. Duration will be 1 second. Apply it to all pages. Change the page duration to 2.5 seconds and apply it to the all pages. Let's add the transition sounds. Go to Elements and search for the whoosh. Select Audio option. Add this sound to the transition point. Click to right button and duplicate the sound. Here is the final result. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.